My name is Kelsey. This is Boots, and these are my Xena boots. And I'm really excited because this weekend I have a ton on the agenda, and I'm going to bring you along for all of it.
Maybe you're wondering, Kelsey, how do you get so much done in a day? It's easy, a little movie magic. I just speed the footage up 800 times, and half a day's work turns into 2 minutes.
All right, now that we've got all 4 tires out, we're gonna swap them around and put them back on and finish getting these rotated. Now, it's time for some heavy metal, and we're gonna get this big old skid plate up underneath the car. The last race I competed in was in the snow, and ice and plastic gets really, really brittle when it's cold. And so I broke off a bunch of pieces, so I'm just gonna cut this off and try to make it look a little nicer. With the help of some friends, we're gonna turn this big open grassy field into a racetrack. And it's race day!
Take a look in the mirror now, what do you see? You can be anything you want to be.
Helmet's on, gloves are on, it's time to boogie.
Car 88 SF.
That is a highlight of my whole day. I've driven here to do that.
Well, I'm glad you love it. Wow, what an incredible weekend. And I think I have a new pair of lucky boots because I earned a first-in-class finish. Now, if you would like to learn more about how to get involved with a racing program, go visit scca.org to find out how you can get started as well.